For a long time, education have been the privilege of an elite or a specific age group. But how can we make learning universal and lifelong? Our users would be people of all ages, genders, education levels, profession, races, cultures, and much, much more, which means that all these people have a different basic knowledge and perception of things. We could assume that our target users are above the school-leaving age, which differs from 12 to 18 all around the world. Most of these people find themselves using the same conversational topics when they talk to their friends, families, and coworkers. However, when they learn something new, they tend to include these topics in their conversations, which inspires reflection and learning about these topics. So what do all these people have in common? Most of them have a mobile device, use some sort of public transport, and a lot of them engage in social media. They usually prefer things to be effortless, engaging, and time efficient, so it doesn't interfere with their otherwise busy everyday life. So how about an app community? That makes learning easily accessible and allows us to share information and inspirations with users all over the world. But why a community? Society is ever-changing, and by allowing users to both learn and contribute to the platform, we assure that the learning on the platform too is ever-changing. Now let's look at the prototype of the solution. To the left you can see the homepage of the app, which is mainly focused on the user learning something new and contributing to the platform. At the top of the screen, the user can see the number of previous learnings and contributions, which many users find encouraging to make even more. When the user clicks the learning button, they'll get a small piece of information about the topic and a challenge related to it that they can solve if they have the time for it. At the bottom is a button that they can click to add their solution and see how other people solve the challenge and get inspiration from them. If the user wants to add a learning contribution to the platform, they can do so by clicking the plus at the bottom menu and selecting the category they want to add to. When they've done so, they'll add a small informational caption and a challenge related to it, as well as an image if they'd like, before they send it for approval on the platform. The bottom menu also allows the user to see the history of their and their friends' own learning and contributions to the platform. This makes the app simple, engaging, and ever-changing. With a lifelong learning community app, we can learn from, with, and about each other.
Created using Powtoon.